Party animals seem to be warming up for the inning with nothing but toilet paper. First baseman Jason Swan is facilitating that, and the new pitcher Peter Holden has donned the TP in his left hand. And wait a second, looks like Dustin Baber at second base is gearing up to practice the trick play. Between the legs, Swan behind the back. Get the out, boys. Count it. Animals infielder Chase Acuff throws his to Bryson Bloomer, just keeping the arms warm. There is toilet paper all over the field. Peter Holden, a North Florida Osprey, was pitching a month ago in college. Today he is throwing 2-ply. Peter Holden, 6'5", 215 pounds. Against Logan Lacey, fires just outside. And the umpire is signaling no pitch. We're not going to count it. Consider there is toilet paper everywhere. He's behind here. Ooh, tough play. Hampton, Skoll ranging in. Reese behind the back, couldn't collect. Jake Skoll's there to recover for him. Picks it up, fires into Baber. There's a runner off first base with nobody down in the top of the fourth. Now it's Parker Nolan, who will have to audition his way to the batter's box.
My name is Parker Nolan, and this is the rowdiest today. Today I'll be singing I Dreamed a Dream. Okay, good luck.
I dreamed a dream in time gone by, and hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I prayed that God would be forgiving, and they turned your dream to shame. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. My life is still a dream. I dream.
Parker Nolan, doubling as Susan Boyle lands the golden buzzer. Not a dry eye in the house. Unbelievable. The passion, the flair, the beauty. And now he bats. And he cranks a ball deep to left. This is foul, but it would have been long gone. He's keeping the wig on. Nolan is swinging a miss. Don't do it. You do not strike out at Susan Boyle. You do not. Nolan, foul again. He has struck out 9 times in 45 plate appearances. Holden in search of his first strikeout as a banana baller. No! Susan Boyle, fresh off the golden buzzer, strikes out. Parker Nolan, no magic in those pipes. Peter Holden with no regard for human life. That was the foul ball earlier. And that is yet another strikeout for the Party Animals after Dalton Potts had an unconscious 6 of them in 3 innings. Peter Holden, Big Pete, if you will, Pistol Pete, if you may, has 1. his first in bananaball. Like, how do you do that? How do you go back to, that guy's got buddies who were sophomores this last year at North Florida. Because again, he was playing college baseball a month ago. Like, one of them calls like, hey man, what's it like being a bananaball? Yeah, my first strikeout came against a guy who was dressed as Susan Boyle. Yeah, remember 15 years ago? America's Got Talent. Britain. Dead or alive, Susan Boyle. I feel like if she was gone, I would have heard about it. I think she's still kicking. Somebody else out there help me. Can we get the production truck to help me on that as well, please? 2-2. Ah! Let's go to McFadden. Nearly takes it off the shin. Instead, Logan Lacey moves to second. McFadden stays put. It didn't hit him. He's 0 for 1 tonight. He's got a strikeout. Tanner Thomas just chilling. Farty's dancing. Payoff inside. Lacey will come around to score the first run of the game for the Firefighters. Here's the cool part for Peter Holden. He doesn't get an earned run for that because the trick play missed. No harm, no foul. Here come the Firefighters. They scale the wall of Grayson Stadium. Our 99-year-old gem in the hostess city. Logan Lacey gets the people going. Erotic. Now it's the 4-5-5 hole Zach Watts. That's the first ball four sprint of the night. The Party Animals give it up. Did I say erotic? That's hilarious. Provocative. Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative. Oh, it's good. Peter Holden. Hold the line. Ground out from Watson. Thank you for production truck for not muting my mic. Oh, that's good. Boy. Lizzie asked if someone spiked my Reginade. I can tell you this much. We don't have Reginade. Reginald Horton hanging out with the Bananas up in wherever those guys are. Indianapolis playing the Visitors, America's away team. Big hack and a miss for Burrito. And I'm sad. I miss Reginade. It's not the same tonight. Behind the back, trick play. Justin Baber. Smell you, Chris Burrito. Two trick plays in the night for the Party Animals.
You gotta fight for the right to party, but not for the right to click on the Party Animals alternate broadcast in this little playlist right here.